There's a windmill over there. You know, I have to say, for someone of Teddy Roosevelt's status, this is quite a modest home. Like, you see the ones of the houses we cover, like in Newport, Rhode Island, like those are just complete lavish, like not in his world. But this one, for the family of his size and all the servants they had, and especially the way the exterior looks, it looks like a very modest home. There's one trail I want to figure out. So I looked at the map before, and it looks like it goes all the way out to Cold Spring Harbor. Let me show you the map on my phone, actually. So this trail over here that we're gonna try to check out next time. So this over here is the map, but like there's a trail, like we're over here, this is where Teddy Roosevelt's home is, right? Where my thumb is. But like if you pass through all this farmland, it goes out to Cold Spring Harbor. It looks like there's a beach. So I think that was one of the nature's trail. Like I saw a map of the entire grounds here at Sagamore Hill, and it was one trail that maybe, if you know, it looks more like a hiking trail because I saw like the logo of someone holding sticks, like they're hiking. And probably could take that trail, and if it heads out to the Cold Spring Harbor and beach, that'll be, you know, another route we can take. Okay guys, so we're right back here at the museum, the Teddy Roosevelt Museum, and over here there's actually a nature's trail. It's called the museum's nature trail, and over there you see like a hiking trail logo and a sign, and then right there you see the sign that says nature trail. So we're going to take the nature trail down there, and looking at the map, it looks like we're going to walk this stretch of nature trail. I don't know how long the walk is, but it goes out to the beach, and then by the beach you get the Cold Spring Harbor right by the water. This is one thing that interests us because we always like being by the waterfront. So I think this is a good trail to take. So join us as we take this nature trail here and heading out to Cold Spring Harbor, which is right here. So nature trail, actually, this is where we are. It starts here at the museum, actually. So this answered my question. It's a 0.7 mile walk. So it's like less than a mile walk. So 2 miles back and forth. And it gets out to this part. It looks like there's a broad walk, actually, that takes you out to Cold Spring Harbor. Are we up for the 0.7 mile walk each way? Yep. All right, let's do it. We already saw some folks. Oh, this is more like unpaved roads. This is actually literally like a trail. So we are here, and this is the walk all the way out to the Cold Spring Harbor. So either way, like, oh, so this one is steep, right? So we're coming from here, so it looks like we should take this one, because this one's a steep. This one's a steep, and it looks like it's the one heading this trail. So maybe we could take this one. But I don't know if this one's longer, though. It looks like it might be longer. Or you think it's the same? But either way, it's going to bring us out here, which is where we're trying to go to. Which one would you rather take?
The less steep.
This 0.7 mile loop. We recommend you follow the trail to the right to avoid the steep section of the trail and you return hike. Wait, so trail to our right is this one then, right?
Yep.
Then why does this map look like it's off?
So let's just follow to the right.
Okay. It says, you follow the trail to the right to avoid the steep section on your return hike, on your return.
Oh, okay.
So we take the one to our right on the return. I wonder if this is the one that's steep though. Yeah, you want to ask.
This is shorter, this is a little longer, but it goes to the same place. No.
Coming up, this one is harder.
No.
Going down because it's shipped down, so it's easier.
Oh, okay, so coming down will go this way.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
So you guys, you heard that, right? So this way going down is easier. It's not that steep, but then on the way back was a trail to the left. It's better to come back, even though slightly longer. It's uphill. This one's harder on the way back. So that's what the sign was trying to say. So when we come back, stick with the trail on the right because that one's easier to walk. It's, even though slightly longer, it's less steep. So we're on the trail with the least resistance, I guess you can say. This is the easiest one to walk.
Thank you.
So this is mostly like when you're going down, it's downhill. But obviously, as you saw the people that were walking up, it's more of an uphill. Better exercise. So guys, like that map and the way everything's said, it's not, it doesn't even feel like 0.7. It seems like we walked a little bit and we're already there. So it's actually a very short walk and it's a non-steep walk. So like I think the map was just probably like giving disclaimers or whatever. It's actually feels like you walk half a block and you're already here. We reached this part, it's called Elk Bridge, was it? Elk Bridge, this bridge that we just passed. And now this is Cold Spring Harbor, as you see right now. Right now we're gonna navigate through all this water. So we're gonna go over here. Yeah, this is a little bit muddy, but it's better. So we're gonna go through this way, that way. Okay guys, so we detoured around the little puddle. It's just a little bit of mud. And now we're gonna come back out to the dry land over here. It's actually a little bit mud over there, but it's a nice little pond here. Okay, detour was easy and simple. So like I said, the walk was really easy. The map made it seem like it was like almost a mile, but in reality, it felt like it was walking half the block and we're already there. This is heading toward the beach. This is called Cold Spring Harbor. You know, the Cold Spring Beach, like, you know, the waterfront known as Cold Spring. It's a little beach over here, and then the harbor itself is straight ahead. Here we go. It's beautiful, guys. I mean, I didn't expect to. I've been to Sagamore Hill twice and never knew there was like a walkway that you can take to get to the beach. So I'm actually doing this the first time with you guys. So I think that's pretty amazing. Now just enjoy the waterfront and the sound of the water. A lot of seashells here. I just love the sound of like the water crashing onto the shore. Okay guys, so now we're gonna walk back through this this bridge and we're gonna take the trail on the right. So initially we took the trail on the right coming in this direction, so now on the return trail as recommended by the sign, we're gonna take the trail on the right to avoid the steeper roads. As per some of the locals said, it's slightly longer, but like the walk here was nothing. Like I was so surprised we got to the beach that quick. Because in case you guys haven't watched our Comset State Park video, the walk over there was like really long and it looked close. So this is the exact opposite. A lot of swamp, kind of marshland around here. This place is just probably festering with mosquitoes, especially like at night. Almost feels like we're walking into a forest. Okay, so we're gonna take the route to the right. Yeah, watch your step, guys. I do strongly suggest you bring some like bug repellent. The place is just swarming with bugs. I already sprayed all over the body and I still feel like there's some bugs landing on me right now. It's incredible to think Teddy Roosevelt had all this space. This entire Sagamore Hill, this entire land was all his, owned by him, his family. Like, the entire place is huge, from what you saw back there all the way up to this walk by the water. It's a lot of space. You know, it just dawned on me that 0.7 miles, that 0.7 miles on the map actually is for the entire walk instead of each way. It just literally dawned on me. It's my aha moment. So to put it into perspective, based on how short the initial walk was, I thought it was 0.7 miles each way. But in reality, it's like 0.7, almost 1 mile for the entire round trip from where we started by the nature trail by the museum, all the way back from the beach, back to that nature trail again. That's the whole thing is 0.7 miles. I'm seeing rocks fall on the ground. Not sure where that came from. Hey, watch this. There's rocks falling from somewhere. I don't know if someone's throwing them. You hear that? There's rocks falling from somewhere. Oh, there's fruits. Hurry up, hurry up. There's fruits falling from the tree. At first I thought it was rocks being tossed, but actually the fruits are falling from the tree. So we have to cover our heads. Hurry up. From that height, it could be a little bit dangerous if it falls on someone's head.
It's like a small little.
Yeah, it's like a small little fruit. I don't know what kind of fruit it was, but like at first I saw it hit the ground and it looked like a rock. So I thought some punk was in the woods throwing rocks at us.
Chestnut or something.
But then it's a fruit falling from the tree. Goes to show that's a fall getting close to it.
It's like a cartoon Chip and Dale.
Yeah, so then we had to quickly walk because nobody has a hard hat. Don't tell me at those heights that if that falls on your head, that's definitely gonna hurt. Trees here, look, they go pretty high up, so it's a long way down.
There's a huge hole in the tree.
Yeah. There's a dead tree over here. Imagine this place at night. You know, honestly, when the park closes, and I'm sure the security guards and the park rangers do a tour, but like there's so much open space that easily someone can hide somewhere here when you think about it. There's no way they could possibly check everything, especially at night. There's actually no like street lamps, like, you know, people would be using headlights and flashlights. So imagine walking here at night. Be a little bit on the creepier side. Okay guys, so we're back to where we started. Here's where we were, Nature Trail. We took the route to the right, as suggested. On the way back, we took the route on the right, so we came up to this trail over here. And this is the trail back. And this is the trail we took to get here. Okay guys, so we're back to where we started. We're back here at the Orchard Field and the Teddy Roosevelt Museum. Over here to the right, right at the entrance of the Nature Trail. As you see here, to the right side is where the Teddy Roosevelt Museum is. It's an entire loop all the way to the beach in Cold Spring Harbor. It's about 0.7 miles, almost a mile, a little bit shy of a mile, and then we're right back to where we started in the museum. So if you guys like this type of video, and you like this video and our content, please make sure to subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you really want to support us, that's the biggest thing you can do for us. It only takes 2 seconds of your time, so we strongly ask, please, if you want to support us, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified when new video uploads, like and share, and we'll see you on the next one.